With the release of iOS 17, Apple has introduced a groundbreaking feature that promises to revolutionize the way we interact with our devices: NameDrop. This innovative addition brings a host of exciting capabilities to the iOS ecosystem, enhancing user experience and streamlining various tasks. In this video, we will delve into everything you need to know about NameDrop and iOS 17, exploring its features, functionality, and the impact it is set to make on the iOS landscape. What is NameDrop? NameDrop is a novel feature designed to simplify and expedite interactions between apps, users, and devices within the iOS environment. It essentially allows for seamless sharing of information, making the transfer of data across applications and services more efficient than ever before. With NameDrop, Apple aims to enhance the overall user experience by minimizing friction and improving the fluidity of tasks performed on iOS devices. Key features of NameDrop: intuitive data sharing. NameDrop facilitates effortless sharing of various types of data, including text, images, links, and more. Users can simply drag and drop content from one app to another, eliminating the need for cumbersome copy-paste procedures. Cross-app integration. One of the standout features of NameDrop is its ability to integrate seamlessly with a wide range of third-party applications. This means users can share content between different apps with unprecedented ease, fostering a more connected and cohesive app ecosystem. Enhance productivity. By reducing the steps involved in sharing and transferring data, NameDrop is set to significantly boost productivity. Users can quickly move information between apps, streamlining workflows and saving valuable time in the process. Privacy controls. Apple has prioritized user privacy in the design of NameDrop. The feature includes robust privacy controls, ensuring that users have granular control over the data they share and with whom they share it. This approach aligns with Apple's commitment to user data protection. Improve multitasking. NameDrop enhances multitasking capabilities on iOS devices. Users can now effortlessly switch between apps while maintaining a fluid data sharing experience. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who rely on multiple apps to complete complex tasks. How to use NameDrop. Using NameDrop is a straightforward process designed to be intuitive for users. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make the most of this powerful feature. Enable NameDrop. Ensure that your device is running iOS 17 or later. Navigate to the Settings app, find the NameDrop option, and toggle it on. Drag and drop. To share content, initiate the drag and drop gesture within the source app. Drag the desired content, such as text or images, to the target app. Review privacy settings. Before finalizing the data transfer, review and adjust privacy settings as needed. NameDrop puts user privacy at the forefront, allowing you to control who has access to your shared content. Enjoy seamless integration. Once configured, experience the seamless integration of NameDrop as it facilitates swift and efficient data sharing between your favorite apps. The future of NameDrop. As developers continue to embrace NameDrop and integrate it into their applications,